I'm Diane Dunn, Houghton College class of 1988.
I am Nigel, Houghton class of 99.
Hi, we're the Lott Brothers. I'm Ronnie, class of 20. I'm Kane, class of 23.
I am Bill Francis, Houghton class of 1966.
And I am Marilyn Burroughs Francis, class of 1965.
Hey Alla, jag heter Anja Öberg.
Hola, mi nombre es Guillermo Mario Jiménez.
Kumusta? Ako si Michaela, class ng 2020.
I am Houghton, and Houghton is here in Newburgh, Maine.
I am Houghton, and Houghton is here in Atlanta.
We are Houghton, and Houghton is here in Portville.
We are Houghton.
And Houghton is here in Orlando, Florida.
Jag är Houghton och Houghton är här i Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
Y Houghton está aquí en Everett, Washington.
Nandito ang Houghton sa Danville, New York.
And Houghton is in Kansas City.
And Houghton is here.
Literally, we're still in Houghton.
We're still here.
Houghton is here in Fillmore.
Houghton is here too.
I'm Shirley Mullen, the president. I came here as a student in the 1970s.
My name is Angela, class of 2003.
Hi, I'm Tamara Marshall, class of 1993.
Mike Gaffney, class of 1994.
I'm the class of Houghton 1971, and I am down here deep in Midlothian, Texas.
We are Houghton, and Houghton is in Memphis, Tennessee.
Houghton is here in Holyoke, Massachusetts.
Houghton is here.
I'm Houghton, and Houghton is here in Rochester, New York.
Hi, I'm Dave Tideman, Houghton class of 79.
I'm Lauren Tideman, class of 2014.
And we are Houghton, and Houghton is here in Landenberg, Pennsylvania.
I am Houghton, and Houghton is here in San Diego.
I am Houghton, and Houghton is here in Greenville, New York.
I am Houghton, and Houghton is here in South Africa.
Thank you for your donation.
Thank you for your donation.
Thank you for your donations.
I appreciate your generous donation, and thank you so much.
Thank you for your donation.